You send a message, and suddenly the energy changes. No reply, short answers, distance. That's called the cold shoulder. To give someone the cold shoulder means to deliberately ignore someone or act emotionally distant. It's one of the most common English expressions for social rejection. After our disagreement, she gave me the cold shoulder for a week. He tried to apologize, but his friends gave him the cold shoulder. The new proposal got a cold shoulder from upper management. It can happen in relationships, friendships, even workplaces. The phrase first appeared in the early 1800s, including in the writing of Sir Walter Scott. It described an icy reception, a deliberate form of emotional distance. Some people believe it came from serving guests cold meat instead of a warm meal, but most language experts consider that story a myth. The real power of the phrase comes from the image itself, someone physically turning away from you. What makes this expression so relatable is that it's rarely loud, no yelling, no confrontation, just coldness. And honestly, that kind of silence can feel worse. That's why the phrase is still so common today, especially in emotionally tense situations. So next time someone suddenly feels distant or acts like you're not even there, you'll know exactly what English speakers call it, the cold shoulder. And unfortunately, most people recognize the feeling immediately.